Hi you guys, today I have another really simple experiment for you. I know the cheetahs have been talking about constellations and stars, and I have a really cool experiment for you guys. So you need a plate, water with a straw, and 5 toothpicks. It's really simple, but the setup takes a little bit of precision and some patience. It took me a little bit to get this right, but I think you guys can do it too. So first thing you want to do is take your toothpicks and you want to break them in half, but don't break them all the way. So just break them in half and keep it together like this, okay? And we're gonna do that with all 5 of our toothpicks. Four and 5. Okay, that one didn't turn out right. Get another one. 5. So it's broken, but not all the way, so it's still connected. You want them to still be connected. And then let me zoom you in. Okay, so what you want to do with these toothpicks is put them together. You want to make the broken edges touch and make sure, so this is the most important part of this experiment, is making your star right so that when you drop your water in, it's going to open up and it's going to be really cool. But what you want to do is you want to make sure these edges are touching. You want to make sure no water can come out, because if water comes out, then it's not going to work. So make sure all your toothpicks are touching. If you want, you can use another toothpick and push it in. That way, see, all the edges are touching and there's no gap, because you want to make sure no water can escape. I know it takes a little bit of time, but this will be worth it, I promise. If it doesn't work, you can open your star up a little, open these toothpicks up a little bit bigger, so that when you put it in, it'll fit, and these edges would be touching. All right, I have my star set up. This is what you want it to look like, with the edges touching so that water cannot escape and that your star is going to open up. Oh, look, I messed it up again. All right, and if it's not perfect, I think there's a fix for it later. So you want to take your water and you want to get a straw. You put it in your water and then you cover the hole on top of the straw so that it holds water in. And then you want to very carefully drop some water into the middle of your star. You want to do it slowly. Uh-oh. I went too fast and it didn't work. Okay, so my first one I poured the water to and it didn't work, so I had to set it up again. I'm using a different plate because my other plate got wet. Okay, so you need to drop it very slowly. Can you guys see that? It's starting to open up. Look, our star opened up. It's very simple, but the setup does take a little bit of time.